Hey, it's Mr. Barr, and this is an IXL that deals with comparing linear functions, tables, graphs, and equations. And in the notes, we had this kind of a triangle where we have a table, we have a graph, and we have an equation, and all of those have a slope in them, or a rate of change, slope, rate of change, same thing. So let's take a look at how to compare them. This first one right here, what's the slope of this? It's 1. It's this number that's right there. This, let's find the slope. From -5 to 4 is a change of 9. That's your run. From -5 to 13 is a change of 18. That's your rise. So if 18 over 9, which is 2. So I have a slope of 1, I have a slope of 2. Which one is greater? A is greater than B. No. A is less than B. Yes, it's this right here. A is less than B. I select it. And I do another one. All right, the slope of this line is rise of 2, run of 1. There's our slope. This guy, rate of change, or the change here, -4 to 8 is 12. -17 to 19 is 36. So this is 36 over 12, which is 2. So these actually have the same slope. Let's see what our options are. Or not. The slope of A is, okay, it doesn't, I don't like, oh, no, up, rise over run, 2 over 1, plus 12, plus, oh, that's not, oh my goodness, this is a 3, isn't it? That should be a 3. Function B is a 3. Mr. Barr, that's a 3. Mr. Barr can't write on the screen. Mr. Barr is talking in third person. Oh my goodness. There, that's a 3. So who's bigger? B is bigger. B is bigger. A is greater. A is less. A is less. Okay, the slope here is 1. -6 to 5 is 11. -15 to 18 is a 33. So it's 33 over 11, so it's 3. So B is bigger, A is greater, A is less. So it's this one right here. So what's the slope of this? Right about there. So it looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. There's the slope of that guy. This is 7. And this is 12 plus 16, 28. 28 over 7. The slope of this one is 4. So A is bigger. I'm going to jump a level. See what happens up here. Slope of this. I'll find 2 good points. There's a good point. There's a good point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Slope of that is 5 over 1, positive. This is going up 2, and this is going up 10. 10 over 2 is 5. Oh, they're the same. Same slope? Are they really the same slope this time? Interesting. Okay, so it's a different type of problem. It's not even asking for the slopes. Let's clear this out. On function A, on this, when x is 2, y is 6. Here, when x is 2, let's continue the table, y would be 10? Oh my goodness. What's going on here? This is actually, see how this table's jumping around? So it's -4 is -25, -3 is -20, -2 is -15, -1 is -10, 0 is -5, 1 is 0, 2 is 5. So when x equals 2, y equals 5. When x is 2, y equals 6. When x is 2, y equals 5. So A is the bigger one in this. Okay, this is based off of y-intercepts. Okay. So we have to find the y-intercept on both of these. The y-intercept on this one is 0, right? The y-intercept here, let's follow the pattern. Now notice it jumped right here, so be careful. This is -4 is -5, -3 is -2, so it's going up by 2. -2, -1, 0, up by 2, up by 2, up by 2. So this would be 3. So the y-intercept here is 3, the y-intercept there is 0, so A has the bigger y-intercept. And this one is just back to a slope type of thing. I'm going to jump a level. So you've got to be really cautious. What's it asking for? Slope, y-intercepts, even looks like at values, it's comparing values. It's going to be a slope one. There's nothing weird there. I'm going to jump another level. Y-intercepts. Oh. Select all. Okay, let's do this one. So we're dealing with y-intercepts and values at -S6. Okay, let's go find the y-intercept at this one. -6, -3. The 0 is right in between here, isn't it? It's right here. -6 is 1, -3 is 2, 0 would be 3. There's the y-intercept, and here's the y-intercept, -5. So A has the bigger y-intercept. The y-intercept of A is less than B? No. No. Also here, the y-intercept of A is equal to? No. The y value of function A when x is 6, keep this thing going, 0 to 3, 6, 5. Okay, when x is 6, y equals 5. When x is 6, y equals 10. Is less than, yep. The y value of function A when x is 6 is less than B. Yes, that's true. The y value when x is 6 is greater than, no. I think it's just this one right here. Let's see what happens. Keep it up. All right, hey, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.